Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Pisces. So on your side we have the Five of Swords. Okay. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Five of Wands. Okay. The most likely outcome, the Ace of Swords and the two cards. Okay, the most likely outcome of this situation is the World. Okay, so definitely there has been a huge fight here. Okay, both because of this, the relationship is totally disrupted right now. With the Five of Swords and the Five of Wands, there has been a heated argument, some sort of a disagreement. It's not that small. That's the vibe which I'm getting, and that is why nobody is agreeing to each other, nobody is talking to each other, nobody is wanting to sort of low down, sort of, I should say. So it's both of you are taking your own stands. Okay, nobody wants to budge here. As simple as that. Wants to take the step forward to reconcile or be back. It is something, okay, it's not my fault, it's not my fault. It's your fault, it's your fault. It's something of that sort. With the World being there, it is ending and new beginnings. Let's see what that is. Okay, so with the Five of Swords, let's see why is this Five of Swords here for Pisces. Let's see this Five of Swords here for Pisces. So for the Five of Swords, we have the Lovers, the Page of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. Okay. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Wands here on your person's side. Let's clarify the Five of Wands on your person's side. So on your person's side, for the Five of Wands, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Judgment. The Nine of Cups. Okay. So let's clarify the World here as the most likely outcome. So for the World, we have the Star, the Nine of Pentacles, and the World again. Okay. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, for the Five of Swords, we have the Lovers, the Page of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. So in spite of there being a lot of passion, a lot of love, a lot of chemistry, a lot of that soulmate type of energy, this person is really confused as to what to do after this fight. Okay, this person really doesn't know what to do in spite of the chemistry being there. As far as your person is concerned, for the Five of Wands, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Judgment, and the Nine of Cups. Here seems to be an energy of taking a decision for their happiness. So this person wants to take a decision for their own happiness here, whatever that is. Okay, they are wanting to take steps forward and taking the control of their own life. It's like this person wants to take control of their own life. They want to take a decision of happiness. They want to be happy. They want their wishes to be fulfilled. That is what they want. For some of you, the fight can be because somebody has many options also. Maybe somebody here has many options and many choices. Maybe that is what is the reason for the fight. Can be that for some of you at least. As far as the most likely outcome, the World is concerned, for the World we have the Star, the Nine of Pentacles, and the World. So at least for this time, what I feel is both of you are wanting to focus on them yourselves. Okay, okay, you want to heal out of it. There is a lot of hope and a lot of healing here, ending of cycle and opening of something new, and that something new as for now seems to be focusing on your own happiness, focusing on your own self rather than each other. That's what I feel. This reading seems to be in some way a continuation of the last one which I did with for December month. It was not a you and your person reading, it was a routine December reading. In that also there was something of that sort. The energies of fight and tower, something of that sort was there, and this seems to be a continuation of that to me. If you are dealing with something of that sort, you can go back to that video and see that with the brown thumbnail out there. Okay, so definitely it is focusing on your own happiness, focusing on your own self, and that is what the huge decision is here. That is what you are wanting. Okay, and let it be whatever it was. I want to focus on myself. It's something of that sort. Both of you. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Take a chance on love. Number 23 may be of some significance for you. When we love, our lives are changed forever. So maybe you are going through some turbulent times in this relationship, and maybe you need to have some faith and trust in each other if you really want to get back to each other. So Pisces, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.